In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a topo surface and apply a realistic grass material in Revit. We'll start by building the ground if you don't already have one, then we'll assign a grass material, fine-tune its appearance, and finish by switching the view so you can see the result clearly. If you need a site, go to the Massing and Site tab and click Topo Surface. You'll place points that define the ground, and each point needs an elevation. As you click, Revit interpolates the surface between points, so vary the heights to create natural contours or keep them consistent for flatter areas. Place enough points to describe the shape you want and keep them relatively evenly spaced for a smooth result. When you're satisfied, click Finish to complete the surface. If your project already has a floor or a site element where the grass should go, you can use that instead of creating a new topo. Next, select the host where you want the grass to appear. This can be the topo surface you just made or an existing floor element. Make sure you have the right element highlighted so the material change applies to the correct area. With the host selected, open the Properties palette and click Edit Type. Go to Structure, then locate the material field. From the library, choose a grass material such as Site Grass. This is a quick way to get a preset that already looks decent. If you don't see a grass option, create a new material, name it clearly for your project, and assign it to that material field so it controls the appearance of the surface or floor. Now let's refine how the grass looks. In the Material Editor, switch to the Appearance tab, assign a grass texture image if one isn't already there, adjust the scale so the blades or pattern read correctly at your project's size. Too small will look noisy, too large will feel fake. Use tint to nudge the color warmer or cooler based on season or lighting, and add a subtle bump map if available to give the surface a touch of depth without making it look shaggy. Keep changes incremental and preview as you go. To see the results instantly, change your view style to realistic using the view control bar at the bottom of the screen. The grass texture will display directly in the model. Orbit around, check it in Plan and 3D, and make any final tweaks to the material scale or tint. That's it. Your site or floor now shows a clean, believable grass finish ready for presentations and renders.